You did it. My heart was beating out of my chest. I couldn't breathe.
I did it for you. And I know I felt your heart out there beating with mine.
Michael, I have something I want to tell you.
Michael, come here for a second.
Go. It's probably the all-star team. We'll have all the time in the world to celebrate the good news. Our good news. Excuse me?
Get rid of this dirt in your belly. Michael is mine. My father is about to sign him, and I won't have you weighing him down with that piece of meat in your body.
Who are you?
Me? Read news next time so you know who's important in Michael's industry. My father is the world champion, owner of the all-star baseball team. Say no to me, and Michael will never get signed anywhere.
Why are you doing this?
Because Michael's a genius, and I like him. He needs my family's support to achieve what he deserves. Leave, Michael. Get rid of this unfortunate situation. As your compensation, here's 100K. Take it and be gone, or you'll have to watch Michael go down with you.
I'll try this one.
What he knows about the baby, he'll give up everything. How can I be so selfish?
Please wrap this one up for me.
None of the rings here are as gorgeous as the one you got me, baby.
Emma? What's going on?
Isn't it obvious?
No, I don't know. What do you...
Stop, Michael. You failed to get yourself signed to the all-star team again yesterday, didn't you? I'm so done with you. You can never give me the life I want. We're over.
No, Emma, wait. I did get signed by the all-star team.
You told me you would tell me right away if that happened, and you didn't.
No, I wanted to surprise you, okay? I wanted to tell you when I proposed to you. With a ring. Look, Emma. I got you a ring. Emma. Marry me.
I'm already married. This is 10-carat Badirs. You could never afford this.
Yes, I can. Just give me some time.
Michael! I can't afford to waste any more time on you and your unfulfilled dreams. Wake up. I deserve better. I'm sorry, Michael. This is for the best. Here, your payment for the act. It's just you and me against the whole world, baby. Mommy's got you. Congrats, Emma. A healthy baby boy. See his birthmark? It's in the shape of a moon. Hey, precious. Where's my baby?
Grace, this is Michael's son. You must make him marry me.
But Michael doesn't love you. How did you...
The night Emma dumped Michael, he got really drunk. I was with him. If you don't believe me, run a paternity test. Even if nothing happened between us, this baby is for sure all Michael's. Has anybody seen my baby? Sir, please, have you seen my baby? He's in the... Ma'am, please, can you help me? I can't find my baby. He's somewhere. I just seen him and he was in his carriage just a second ago. Please. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mommy!
If my son hadn't gone missing, he would probably be hugging me right now.
Hi. What's your name? Why are you out here alone? Where's your parents?
I'm Jerry. I'm lost. My dad.
Winning the French Baseball Open, he is now ranked world number 1.
You finally did it, Michael. You became a world champion.
That's my dad.
What'd you call him?
That's my dad.
You look just like him.
Don't cry, Mommy.
Oh my God, that's Michael Miller, the world famous baseball player. He looks so good.
This is where Jerry ran off. Let's go find him. Stop thinking about her, Michael. Remember what she did to you.
Never thought the reason to finally call you after all these years is to help you find your son.
Stay there. I'm coming.
Emma, where the hell are you? Today's the day. Michael Miller's coming to sign the contract.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Brooks. I'll be there right away. I'm so sorry, Jerry. I have to go. How about I take you to the stadium radio room and you can wait for your dad there, okay? Come on.
Jerry's not here anymore. Keep searching. I'm coming over now.
Will Jerry Miller's family please come to the radio? Your child is here waiting for you.
Little rat running off everywhere? I'll teach you a good lesson. Oh, it's her. Does she know?
Jerry's your son? Don't treat him like that. Can't you see he's hurt?
Oh, so she doesn't know.
Get lost. This is my son, so he's none of your business.
Get back here right now. If I don't see you in 3 minutes, you're fired.
I'm sorry, Jerry. I'll see you later.
Emma?
Flex TV, an exciting world of trending dramas.